bafowethu hayi kunankwichikhwebu lapha eParliament ku head of la ikomiti leParliament ngoba ku uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya General Shadrack Sibiya uqale ukutestifya izolo akuhlangani man akuhlangani akuhlangani neze akuhlangani neze angazi I don't know why because ubejahile ukuzotestify ubejahile impela ukuzotestify ngathi uphethe into enkulu kodwa ngeke ayikhona ngeke akuhlangani ngempela uyazi mawubheka abantu okay bonke labantu laba ekuthiwa like uBrian Mkhothi uyamazi uke wahlangana naye ngisho eCape Town uyamazi ngempela uKate Matlala uyamazi naye futhi uke wahlangana naye uMinister Sezomchunu uyamazi futhi naye bake bahlangana futhi naye akekho amphikayo angamazi thanda ukuba inkinga hayi ke uyabona ke eseshaya amanzi kakhulu uyabona eseshaya udaka lasha kodwa kakhulu lapho khona eseveza ukuthi the arrest of AKA angazi kanjani kwi-arrest AKA khosazi thina u-AKA washona wadutshulwa eThekwini angazi i-arrest kanjani ngithanda ukudideka kodwa nje ayihlangani kahle indaba ka Shadrack Sibiya ayihlangani indaba ka Shadrack Sibiya unakho ukungacabangi before akhulume unokudideka kune confusion ekhona la ku Shadrack Sibiya ngempela so angazi ngempela ukuthi ubufakazi bakhe lobabajaha ukuzobuthula ukuthi ubefuna ukuthini hayi indida ake siqhubeke silalele akatestify utestify izolo ngangazi ukuthi ngizothini namhlanje ngifuna ukumlinda azaqede ebese ngikhuluma kusasa ukuthi yini engizwile kodwa nje ngeke guys ngisaqhubeka ngisathi nje I salute you General Mkhwanazi General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi I salute you sir ngiyabuthemba ubuqotho bakho ngiyabuthemba ubuholi bakho bubaleke kakhulu kuthina eSouth Africa uwena umuntu othanda ngempela lelizwe lethu ngiyaqhubeka nje ngiyakusalutha mina mfowethu so nje sisizwe seSouth Africa siyoqhubeka sikusekele mfowethu mina I support you and ngiyohlala ngikusupport my prayer is behind you ukuthi konke uNkulunkulu akufisayo ngawe amacebo kaNkulunkulu ngawe abe mahle akuvikele akuprotect no weapon will be formed against you eyophumelela ndonga kwalenkosi.
General Shadrack Sibiya is clutching on his straws. He is currently failing or struggling to answer pertinent questions and most important questions. He is confusing General Mkhwanazi's testimony. He is confusing General Fanny Masemola's phased out approach of the PKTT, amongst others. And earlier in the morning, he started very nice trying to paint Mkhwanazi as somehow of an emotional person. But now we are dealing with the cracks, the real issues that brought us to where we are. It is clear, it has been put very clearly to him by the evidence leader that the plan that he was attempting to implement is the complete opposite of what Masemola sent to the minister. He cannot explain himself out of that, but he is trying. So we continue to watch him, and immediately when they adjourn, we will be live immediately.
Yo, hayi usibiya niphazamisa usibiya ndimva mina ene uzandenza into banixoke ngithethe into engathethwanga nguye. Haya ndimva uthi a violent murder aphinde athi crime must not suffer. Hey Enasuba nibhitwe sisingesi ncam kodwa ikhona nje into enziba ndingemva ncam. Ifana nalapho uSibiya uyabuzwa mosi uGeneral wayemgxothile eKZN intoba ngaphume phele eKZN kule previous post yam. So ke ngoku I think later on up uyam invite ke uzaba ne-excellent award yamaphoyisa intoba eze azothini. So ngathi ke kumele ukuthi wenze u-RSVP ke ubuzeza something like that. From up wenza follow up intoba yendoda ithini into uyeza athi uSibiya hayi ngiyeza ngathi awubokhuluma phela uma uze KZN uzeli nje. Kodwa apho uSibiya nje bebuzwa ke ngoku intoba so waze waya kule event wayibizelwa ama excellent awards lana okanye yazange uye eqaleni uthi ndaya jiki phethu ndiyemva into obingathi uthakaza ngaye waya kwenye ana ndicela abantu bami anifuni ukunixelela amanga anifune nje into banithi ndinixokisele uyaniphazamisa uSibiya ngicela niphe nje ithuba ndigraspe kahle ba uthini uSibiya into ethethwa nguSibiya kusamele ndimamele kayi5 before ndiyiposta or else nzaba lixoki.
Did you attend this awards evening? I did attend. I did attend it. And what was that occasion like? I check it, the National Commissioner was also there. Chair, I just don't want to make a mistake. I do know that there's one I didn't attend, but this one I don't think I attended. I didn't attend this one. There's one that I attended where it was now with the police. I think it was a National Police Day, but the excellence one I didn't attend.
Let's have fagaz back na General Shadrack Sibiya. In-general phela naye. So kufakaza yena lapha ku committee yalapha eParliament uletha ubufakazi bakhe emva ukuthi Hlahla Mkhwanazi athi hayi umgulukudu phela sena ude to prove ukuthi hayi cha angisimgulukudu mina ngiright uyasho ukuthi hayibo phela mina naMkhwanazi bezivana kahle inkinga icale lesikhathi sibopha AKA yabona sibathi nambopha AKA sabopha AKA thina so kulasicale khona sangabe nebudlelwane kahle bathi nimbophenini wabala mnyaka bathi hayi man AKA musu ushoniwe lo mnyama lo wathi ushonile wathi what sibophe bani kan sibophela ababulale yena wathi yabona perhaps wow so usaletha ubufakazi lapha but uvumile ukuthi Brown Mohosi uyamadi yabona umhosi vele yabona wavuma nokuthi Khet Matlala uyamadi bambuta ukuthi Khet umadi njani wathi hayi cha ukongifonela nje wathi hayi man bengicela kumitha nawo wathi na hayi be office and then ngimadi njalo so wathi okay Brown Mohosi ke wathi hayi Brown Mohosi wathi no ufuna ngithengele breakfast okay ngafika sadla nasiceda kudla wakhohlwa kubhadala wathi mina ngibhadale wathi wabhadala wathi angabhadala ngathi akabuya tobhadala selapha basho bathi perhaps wow kusachubeka ke
xa nicinga uGeneral Mkhwanazi uthini kodwa xa kebukela uSibiya hayi akuya wanihawulisa mos last week kuyahanjwa kwaphuma i-search warrant kwayothatha i-cellphones zakhe ne-laptops so ingathi khona eyi-1 abamsamsizele ngayo okanye baphinde bamnika inoba because kumele afumane no-communication mos ye-flight zokuya ku-adcock nane nezinto ethunyelwa ngefoni ke sometimes ezo sure so ngoku ke apha uthi shame bayambuza ke so uba ikhona ifoni yakho ekhona apho kuwe na unefoni yakho apho uthi yena hayi ndinayo kodwa ke ndisho xa ndigqiba nje kulenda bazoyithi D bazoyithatha hayi kodwa kanti beke sithini uSibiya xa ebesithi bring it on
You handed it over. It's been seized.
It was seized now, and then they're still waiting for this one that I'm having now, but I must still go and hand over.
You're still sitting.
Can we
You're still sitting with
can we
yourself.
get closer to the microphone, Senior Counsel?
You're still sitting with your cell phone.
Yes.
So you must still hand that over.
And they're waiting for it. As soon as I land, they want it.
Okay. So you're pretty confident that this WhatsApp is not going to be downloaded?
They won't download it, not in me. But remember, this is crime intelligence. Anything is possible.
Bafowethu uSibiya usehlulwe ngisho nayi imibuzo elula nje imibuzo elula aphi ama document awu 121 aphi ama document awu 121 uSibiya uyamhlula lo mbuzo uyangingisa aphi ama document a100 apha ama dockets, where are the dockets, where are 421 dockets? Uyahluleka uSibiya ukuphendula. Ayi senkingeni bafowethu, uyahluleka. Okay, umbuzo omunye uthi a civil servant, uMkhotsi is a civil servant njengami, avela azoqhamuka ne-information ekufuna ngabe yawe intelligence, lokho akukhathazi. No, akungikhathazi. Uyazi zonke izinto eziphendula uSibiya zi mess up. Ushadrack Sibiya, guys, he is mess up, you know. Uke wathi omunye umfowethu ebuza umbuzo lapha ku Facebook wathi mangase kuthiwa ngempela ke nangu uSibiya wenza ngathi mina ngavele ngithi prosecutor ngitshela umshushisi, ngavele ngithi umshushisi tshela imantshi bopha lo muntu ku obvious bafowethu, ku obvious. Ayikho into ezotestify uShadrack Sibiya la. Unamanga lo muntu akazi nokuthi athini, ukingiza ka 1000 before aphendula umbuzo. Nakhona makwazama uthi uyachaza ayikho lento ayichazayo. Sibiya vele uthula, ayikho lento. Thula Sibiya. Shadrack Sibiya, hayi we scam. Thula, ayikho lento ayichazayo. Ayikho. Thula nje Shadrack Sibiya, ayikho lento ayichazayo. Yonke into oyikhulumayo nje out of order. Konke. Imibuzo ibuzwayo awukwazi ukuphendula umbuzo, ufuna ukujaha uchazani Sibiya ngoba phendula umbuzo Shadrack phendula umbuzo uchazani. Lo muntu waba kanjani uDeputy Commissioner? Waba kanjani uDeputy Commissioner? Kanjani? Ayikho lento ichazayo Sibiya, ayikho. Aphe ama document, aphe ama dockets awu121. Uyangingiza nakhona awukwazi ukunikeza i-answer straight, uyangingiza kaningi. Okay, akukhathazi ukuthi ngempela wena uMkhotsi lo wakhona uBrian Mkhotsi uza ne-information ekufuneke ngabe iyimfihlo ye-intelligence yesizwe. Akukhathazi lokho wena uyithatha ugijima nayo. Hayi ngeke suka, hayi suka, bopha lento, bophani lento, ayejele lento, ayikhona bafowethu, ayejele lento, ayikho lento kaSibiya, ayikho. Shadrack Sibiya must be arrested with immediate effect.
Mosi platform kaFez i-platform yasifundisana ngoba sizokwazi yonke into. So apha uGeneral Sibiya ubuzwa into ba kungani uGeneral Mkhwanazi esithi uyibhebi kuye. Uphendule wathi andiyazi kungani ngoba ndimkhulu mina kuye. Uzame ukusicacisela ke, but I'm still a bit confused. Uthe yena uqala ukuba nguMajor General esuka kuma rank asezansi ke ube nguMajor General kuqala. Walandela uGeneral Mkhwanazi wanguMajor General. Wasuka uSibiya wanguLieutenant General. uGeneral Mkhwanazi wa-appointwa as national commissioner, wa-acta as i-national commissioner ngo-2011. Uthe kungakudalanga egqiba ku-appointwa njalo kwavela into yoba because of le nhlonipho yabo abaphana yona ukusaluta onerenke ephezulu akakwazi ukusalutela ngezansi, akazukwazi uGeneral Mkhwanazi ukuba ngu-national commissioner abe ekule renke yobu-major general. Wanyanzeleka into uPresident Zuma amenze uLieutenant General. As a result wangu-Lieutenant General. Uphinde wathi uSibiya uMajor General unezistar ezimbini, meaning banazo bobabini mosezi stars. Wathi uLieutenant General unezistars eziyi-3, meaning banazo bobabini ezistars eziyi-3. Wathi however mna ngokomposition ndingu-deputy, meaning ndingaphansi ko-national, so indenza ndibe mkhulu kuye. Ithini lento? Ithi ke ngoku according to yena ndimdala kuye. Ibe khona lento ethi okay ithini umcimbi woba wayeke wangu-national lo, and kwayena uSibiya emenshine into yoba u-national uphinde abe nezistars eziyi-4. So it means uGeneral Mkhwanazi unezistars eziyi-4. Not unless if ndiva wrong okanye since waye-actor azange azasifumane i-star wasona inqhana yimcimbi endingekho sure ngawo. However kukhona i-star okuthiwa uGeneral Mkhwanazi unaso, akunapolisa nanye eSouth Africa elinesi star. So he's got a special star. So andikho sure umcimbi wakhona uthini nje. Ngeke nje loba ke sibona uba uGeneral Mkhwanazi uthi ungubaby ngani uSibiya le phansi komcimbi esiwubukele nje sonke, but ngokwe rank uzame nje ukuyi-explainer, but andikayiva ncam. But ndiyathemba into yoba sine brothers and sisters zethu ezikwa military, even otata nomama ababe kwa military, be it wa SNDF emasojeni okanye kusesiphoyiseni, abazasicacisela nje kancinci lo mcimbi wamarenke, basifundise even la sezantsi amarenke.
General Mkhwanazi testified that you are a baby in rank in comparison to him. What is your rank?
I'm a Deputy National Commissioner and I'm a senior to him.
What is your rank?
I'm a Lieutenant General and a Deputy National Commissioner.
What is General Mkhwanazi's rank?
He's a Lieutenant General, a Provincial Commissioner.